Hi, we're selling a T&B electric hydraulic crimper called a Battpac. There you can see what it's rated for. 6 short tons, input 14.4 volt DC, 220 watt, from number 8 to 500 MCM copper, and also 4 out to 4 out H tap. It's got one set of dies in the jaw, and it has 2, 4, 6, 7 additional sets here. There's the battery charger, and it's got a power supply also if you want to plug it into the wall and run it on 120 volt current. And that's what it's set up for now. You got a plugged in special battery. It's got a cable coming out, goes over to the power supply over there, and then trigger here for releasing, pulls right back. Just to show you it's working, we're going to put a Burndy 4-aught in here. It's definitely not meant for, I don't know what size the die is meant for, but we're going to try and do this. There we go. I had it way up here, just because I only have 2 hands instead of 3. I needed 3. But you can see that it's working, although there's nothing inside, but still it is going through the motions of what it's supposed to do. Automatically cuts out when it's fully crimped. Oops, wrong one. There we go. And right now it's running on the 120 volt current coming in through here. It does not have a separate battery, although it does have the charger. Very clean unit, folks. No known problems. Thanks for your time.